Your product is dispensable, it can change, but the question you ask with regards to your product is, this product that we have, does it fit the market? Do we have product market fit? Or are we developing a product that the market cannot do business with? Sometimes you develop a product. I mean, imagine if my product now is to open a cyber cafe, right? It's a product, but it doesn't fit the market because the market is way past that, right? So what imagining my own product now is to start an astronaut company, a space company in Nigeria. It's a product in Nigeria, but it still doesn't fit the market. I mean, do we have space programs in Nigeria? We don't. So to be able to set up a space program in Nigeria, and when I mean space program, like, are people studying intergalactic studies in OAU? Oh, well, I mean, I stand to be corrected, but I'm not aware that anybody's studying all of that, right? And even if they are, not in large quantity. So if I open like SpaceX, right, I need to go and hire people from abroad to come and work at the SpaceX. So it's not a product market fit, right? So you need to ensure that your product fits the market and your product serves the right clients. And the big question you also need to ask is, the product that we use, the product we're out there selling now, is it still going to fit the market in 5 years? Especially now that the world is changing really, really fast, right? The world is changing significantly fast, so we need to constantly check whether it is still going to fit. If it doesn't fit, you might still be in the product, but you might start working your way out of it, right? Start working your way out of it. You know, if it fits, then you can double down on it, right? So you want to be sure that your product fits the market, right? And if it doesn't, please don't be too sentimental, because that sentiment is going to be the death of you, right? You're going to destroy yourself just essentially because you are sticking to something that is already dying away.